did it in a questionable way.
Correct. And so what do you think are maybe the biggest misconceptions right now about Bitcoin or tokens themselves?
Well, when I get outside of the crypto bubble, and luckily that crypto bubble is getting bigger and bigger, and I say luckily in terms of size, that more people are getting engaged and involved in this sector. But there's still this view that it's highly risky, highly volatile, and it is. But then if you compare it to some of individual stocks and what happened over the last year, I mean, Bitcoin looked boring for a little while, for most of 20, until we got to it more towards the end of the year. And so I think there's still a views and also views that it's going to be kind of regulated out of existence. And certainly, I mean, if there have been some bigger names who have talked about that, but my view has been you're going to have an uproar if you're taking away the ability for individuals to have some financial sovereignty, right? When the technology is there and people have already gotten a taste of what that's like. Now, there could be a risk that the taxation increases to the point where or what India did, which is like shut off, this is 3 years ago, shut off banking access to crypto startups, which and basically shut down that sector for 3 years. But then the Supreme Court overruled that last year. So I think people still view it as this money launder, money launderer is highly risky, but that's changing more and more.